You don't need a store. You don't even need a clothing brand. What you do need is a DTF printer that prints profit. Today, I'm talking about how to make money reselling DTF transfers with the direct-to-film printer. And one of the biggest benefits is this. With a commercial grade MaxColor or 60, you're not just building your own clothing label. You can also sell the film rolls themselves to other businesses who don't have the gear but still need the goods. So here's the thing. There are tons of people out there with a heat press machine and a dream, but no printer. And guess who can supply them with ready-to-press DTF designs? You. As mentioned earlier, you can print reseller client artwork onto film, hand it over, and they press it on site at their shop or at home. No extra labor, no extra pressing, just print it, roll it, and move on. So let's talk about numbers, because this isn't just printing, it's printing profits. Your cost per meter is around 60 to 85 Rand, depending on your ink, your design, and time. And you sell that same meter to resellers for around 145 to 200 Rand. That's a strong margin markup. That's doubling your cost and sometimes even more. Now imagine you've got 10 regular clients and each one orders 10 meters per week. That's 100 meters a week, giving you a weekly profit of anywhere between 6,000 and 14,000 or more. Now, you don't need to press even a single shirt for this, but here's the part that most beginners miss. You don't need to undercut just to win a few quick sales. You've invested in a commercial grade machine. You need to protect that investment. The MaxColor 40 and 60 printers we offer come fitted with the Epson R3200 print heads. These are high-end industrial quality heads, not the cheaper XP600 print heads you'll find in many budget Chinese brands. These R3200 heads are designed for performance and precision, but they will eventually need replacing in 2 to 5 years, depending on usage and maintenance. And this is where your pricing strategy matters. You're not just covering material costs, you're building a business, you're laying the foundation too. Buy another machine as you grow, expand on your offering beyond DTF, and adapt to a market that frankly, it isn't growing fast enough. The South African economy is stagnant, and in some sectors, it's even shrinking. So how do you grow in a flat economy? You invest, you expand, you offer more. That's why you shouldn't race to the bottom of pricing. Instead, focus on building relationships, being reliable, meeting deadlines. Make your pricing fair and competitive, but don't sell yourself short. Build a business that lasts. Reinvest your profits and let your DTF printer pay for your future. To pull this off, you need a commercial grade direct-to-film printer, the MaxColor 40 or MaxColor 60. And when you buy your machine from MaxLaser, you're not just buying a printer, you're investing in a full business setup. Here's what's included. Your printer, which is the MaxColor 40 or 60, a powder shaker and oven curer, a smoke purifier for clean operation and also to extract heat and dust, a full set of 1 liter MaxColor DTF inks, a 100-meter roll of direct-to-film, a full bag of adhesive powder, all the cleaning solutions you need to maintain the system. And that's just the physical setup. We also provide installation and full hands-on training anywhere in South Africa and neighboring countries. Lifetime technical support from our in-house technician team, a 1-year warranty on the machines, excluding the print heads, access to video training content to help you master printing and maintenance, regularly updated maintenance videos to keep your print head in top condition. Plus, you'll be added to a dedicated WhatsApp help group so you'll get real-time support when you need it. No ticket system, no waiting. Our team responds instantly and directly. And our technicians are a dedicated, passionate team focused on ensuring you have minimal downtime and maximum productivity. Because when you invest in MaxColor printers, you also invest in MaxLaser. You invest in a partner for success. Your clients, they're everywhere. Clothing startups, boutique brands, social sellers, schools, clubs, even printing houses and graphic design companies. Just post on Facebook Marketplace, hit the WhatsApp groups, or walk into your local store and say,
Hey, want to press your own designs without buying a printer? I've got your film ready.
congratulations, you're officially the print plug. Now here's what makes this so powerful. This is just the bonus. You didn't buy the DTF printer just to be a supplier. You bought it to build your own brand. So while you're supplying film rolls to others, you can also be pressing your own merch, such as hoodies, t-shirts, tote bags, aprons, and baby apparel. That's 2 income streams from one commercial grade printer. One business printing for others, one business building your own label, all from the MaxColor printer. You don't need a machine. You don't need a factory. You just need the right machine and the right mindset. With the MaxColor 40 or 60, you've got everything you need to make money in more ways than one. Press less, print more, and spread the success, because you already know success is contagious. Look at this, eh? Just printing money, baby, printing money! Profits, baby, profits!